Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Rainbow Six Siege X on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming how-tos and fixes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to store.steampowered.com. If you haven't installed Steam yet, download and install it first. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once Steam is installed, launch the Steam client and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create it easily. Now, go to the Store tab in the Steam client. Use the search bar at the top right and type in Rainbow Six Siege X. Scroll through the results and find Rainbow Six Siege X. It might show as free to play or with a price depending on current offers or your region. Click on Play or Add to Library and then select Install to start downloading the game to your PC. That's it! Once the game is installed, you can launch it directly from your Steam library and start playing. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!